Imagine Earth before trees. Towering over the landscape are massive structures unlike anything alive today. These are prototaxites, gigantic fungi that dominated the planet for millions of years. Long before dinosaurs roamed or flowers bloomed, these fungal forests blanketed the continents. They were the undisputed rulers of a world bathed in the warm glow of a younger sun. This was a time when life on land was still in its infancy, and fungi, not plants, were the pioneers. These were not the familiar mushrooms we see today. Imagine towering structures, reaching heights of 24 feet and stretching 3 feet wide. These giants were formed not of wood, but of tightly packed tubes, a testament to the incredible strength and versatility of fungal biology. They were the skyscrapers of their time, casting long shadows across a landscape dotted with shallow seas and volcanic plains. But the reign of the giant fungi was not to last forever. As the climate changed and the Earth's atmosphere became richer in oxygen, the conditions that favored these towering organisms began to shift. The stage was set for a new kind of life to emerge, one that would eventually challenge the dominance of fungi, the ancestors of modern plants. The world of the prototaxites was a strange and beautiful place. Sunlight filtered through the towering fungal stalks, creating a dappled twilight on the forest floor. The air was thick with spores, released in shimmering clouds from the gills of the giant fungi. These spores, carried by the wind, spread the progeny of the fungal forests far and wide. Life thrived in the shadow of the giant fungi. Primitive insects and arthropods crawled amongst the decaying organic matter at the base of the prototaxites, feasting on the fallen spores and the detritus of this alien ecosystem. These early pioneers were some of the first creatures to make their home on land, taking advantage of the shelter and sustenance provided by the fungal forests. The decomposition of the massive fungal structures provided a rich source of nutrients, feeding a vibrant ecosystem of decomposers and scavengers. This constant cycle of growth, decay, and renewal formed the bedrock of this ancient world, a world where fungi played the role of both producers and recyclers. Beneath the surface of this prehistoric landscape lay a hidden network, a vast and intricate web of fungal threads known as mycelium. This interconnected network, threading its way through the soil and even penetrating the tissues of other organisms, played a vital role in the fungal forests. Like a subterranean internet, it connected the giant fungi, allowing them to communicate and share resources over vast distances. The mycelium acted as a living conduit, transporting water, nutrients, and even chemical signals between the fungal giants. This network, invisible to the naked eye, was essential for the health and survival of the entire fungal ecosystem. It allowed for the efficient distribution of resources, ensuring that even the largest and oldest of the prototaxites had access to the nourishment they needed to thrive. This underground network was also a battleground. Fungi are masters of chemical warfare, and the mycelium served as a conduit for both cooperation and conflict. Fungi released toxins to deter competitors, battled for resources, and even engaged in symbiotic partnerships, all through the intricate network of the mycelium. This hidden world, teeming with life and death, played a crucial role in shaping the evolution of early terrestrial ecosystems. The reign of the giant fungi eventually came to an end. As plants evolved and diversified, they began to challenge the dominance of the fungal forests. The rise of vascular plants, with their ability to draw water from the soil and grow tall, strong stems, marked a turning point in the history of life on land. The towering prototaxites, unable to compete with the newcomers, gradually disappeared, their reign consigned to the fossil record. But the legacy of the fungal forests lives on. Beneath our feet, hidden from view, the mycelium still weaves its intricate web, It connects plants, trees, and even entire forests in a vast, interconnected network that underpins the ecosystems we depend on. Fungi, though no longer the dominant life forms on land, continue to play a vital role in the web of life, decomposing organic matter, recycling nutrients, and supporting the growth of countless other organisms. The next time you walk through a forest, take a moment to consider the hidden world beneath your feet. The mycelium, a testament to the ancient reign of fungi, is a reminder that even in the face of change and competition, life finds a way to persist, adapt, and thrive. The fungal forests may be gone, but their legacy lives on, a hidden network that connects us all.